Lights, camera, action. Ready to make professional-looking videos? Let's break it down. 1. Camera. Choose the right one for your style, from vlogging to cinematic projects. 2. Tripod. Avoid shaky footage and get a better grip with a flexible or classic tripod. 3. Lighting. Add artificial assistance for perfect visuals, key light, fill light, and more. 4. Microphone. Ensure good quality sound with options like lavalier or shotgun mics. 5. Backdrop. Make critical information stand out and enhance your visuals. 6. Editing software. The key to post-production magic. Perfect your videos with great software. Enhance your videos with Pictory. Select visuals and let AI create a stunning storyboard. Turn long videos into snappy highlight reels. Tailor your content to fit different platforms easily. Auto captions for better accessibility. Sign up for a trial with Pictory. The first 3 videos you make are free.